Dinorah, aka the Southern Belle of the South Bronx. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have an update on K18, and it's, if you watch my other videos, it's the leave-in molecular repair hair mask. I've been using this, I want to say, since April. I will put the timeline somewhere here. It's been a minute. So I use this for 4 consecutive washes, and then after you do 4 consecutive washes, you can do it every 3 or 4 washes after that. So approximately since May 16th, which was my last application, I've washed my hair an approximate amount of times of 3. That sounded like broken English, I'm sorry. It's been a minute. But yes, so I washed my hair the week after the 16th. I got some braids done. I came back from vacation, I washed it again, and I just washed it today. So it's a 3rd wash. So yes, I'm gonna use this. I'm also gonna talk a little bit in comparison to the Olaplex 3. I don't know if you can see, but there's only like a little bit of product left. This is actually my 2nd bottle that I've used of this. I've been using Olaplex 3 for a 1.5 years. I haven't used this since February 2021 of this year. At first it did very well for my hair, I'm not going to lie, because I went through 2 sizes, well, almost 2 sizes of this limited edition bonus size, which is an 8.5 ounce bottle. So I went through 1 bottle, and this is my 2nd bottle, and there's probably like 1 treatment left with the amount of hair that I currently have, because I do have my hair in a blunt bob cut. My hair is natural curly, you'll see it in a minute. So yes, so I just wanted to, there was a quick thing someone told me at the salon where I went to go pick up the full size. So if you see my other videos, you know that I bought the sample size because I really just wanted to try it. But when I saw some, you know, we were going somewhere with this, I was like, all right, let me go buy the full bottle. So I got this at Spoken Wheel in 5th Avenue, I believe. So I bought the full-size bottle, and the hairdresser there told me that although they may seem like they do the same thing, they don't, because this is a bond repair. So when you're thinking about hair, right, if you're looking like at a ladder, right, to look at the molecular level of the hair, you have the ladder and then you have the steps. She said that the Olaplex repairs the steps in the ladder, and that the K18 repairs the molecular level of the, let's call the walls of the ladder, or the sticks that hold the ladder up. So I was like, okay, that makes sense, because I was seeing more progress with this, because I do have some curl damage, which I'll put some pictures here, and we'll see where my hair is at after using this for about April, May, June, 3 months. So this made a lot of sense, because my curl wasn't curling. So it wasn't that there was actual damage, like the hair wasn't broken up, because this is supposed to like repair like broken bond links in the hair. So yeah, that's my comparison of the two. It did work for a while. I will say this, to be very honest, when I first started to use this, I would wash my hair at night. Yeah, wash my hair, I would put this in and I would sleep in it and I'd take it off in the morning, and this quickly dried my hair out, which that could be another factor as to why I lost some of the curl pattern. So as you'll see, from the crown of my head to the front of my head, my curls are just non-existent. It's a wave or it's just straight. So yeah, I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it. It did work at one point, like my curls looked beautiful. When I first started using this, I started using this during the winter months of 2019. So yeah, that's my Olaplex and K18 comparison. Let me know if that makes any sense. Put it down in the comment section down below. I'll make another video, or you can follow me on Instagram, shameless plug. I'll put it here and we can talk about it there. So let's do our first application of the K18 after using it for 4 consecutive uses. So as mentioned before, and I'll put like a little card here or there, the way that you would use this is that you would wash your hair with a clarifying shampoo to be specific. Especially with my type of hair, I have low porosity hair, so I do get a lot of product buildup. So in order for this to penetrate it well, you want to make sure your hair is squeaky clean. So you wash your hair, shampoo it, rinse out the shampoo, no conditioner, because you want this to penetrate the cortex, the inner part of the hair. So then you apply this, you leave it on for 4 minutes, and then you just style your hair. So this remains on your hair, on your strands, until the next wash, but it doesn't really wash off because it just continues to penetrate inside of the hair. So with more usage, it's supposed to, you know, fix the broken structure or this part of the ladder of the hair. So my issue is, and also I've only been applying it to the front half, which is, you see, so I've only been applying it to the front half because that's where I have most of the damage, which you'll see in a second. Okay, so if you go back to my other videos, you'll notice that the curls here, especially here in the front, they won't spiral. They won't spiral into themselves. They won't coil. You'll get a lot of this action, which is like a wave action compared to the curls in the back, which you'll see after it's dried. I did see a lot of improvement within the first 4 consecutive uses of my hair being very strong. The elasticity was restored, like I could stretch my hair and it wouldn't snap. So like the dryness was curing itself, I guess. And I can see the hair having a little bit more body, not the full on curl, because you can see I still have some flat pieces here. But I enjoyed using it, so I'm excited to see what it's going to look like now. Well, it is Saturday evening. It is actually Saturday, 7 p.m. on the dot. So I'm going to use this and let it air dry, and then I'll come back tomorrow morning, Sunday morning, and show you where my hair is. So again, for reference, I have a blunt curly cut, meaning when my hair is wet or dry, it all should be at one length. You should go back and see my videos, but my hair also has grown a lot. All right, so let's get started. I'll put a card here or here showing you the amount of product you should be using for your hair density, your hair length. I've been using 4 milliliters on just the front half. So what I do is I do like 3 or 4 sections, and then I do that. Before, when I was using the sample, I would have to weigh it out, but since this is a 50 milliliter bottle, and each pump, the product that comes out is 1 milliliter, so I'm going to be using 4 pumps. Again, shampoo, towel dry, I forgot to mention that. You're supposed to towel dry, no conditioner, and then you just go in. And what I like to do is rake it through and make sure I saturate the ends very well. So now that we've applied the product to where the damage is, you can see how dry my hair is. We have to let this sit for 4 minutes. And then we're gonna go about just styling our hair. And that's our 4 minutes. Okay, y'all, so what I would do after this is just style it, but I'll start from the back. I'm going to be using my DIY okra, yes, as in the vegetable, hair gel. So I just made some last night. I'm going to post the video, so I'm gonna go and style my hair, and I'll be back when my hair is styled with the gel, and then I'll come back again when it's fully dry. So see you soon. Because I have a bit of, let's call it mechanical damage of that, it looks like I have an asymmetrical haircut, even if I part it here in the middle. because of this damage I have in the front, but it does look much better compared to what it looked like in April. As you can see, there is still some curls that, let me move in closer. There are still some curls that just won't curl, but I won't talk too much until I see what it looks like dry. You see this curl here, it's just, it looks like a nest, but either way, my hair still feels very strong. Like I said, I used it for 4 consecutive washes. I'm now using it again after not using it for 3 washes, because you can use it every 3 or 4 washes. In that time, I've had to blow dry my hair on cool because I got braids. I left those in for 2 weeks. I took those out, washed my hair, and here we are again. And my hair still feels very strong. The elasticity of it, I have a hard time pronouncing that word, seems to still be there, even though I've blow dried my hair and did braids. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm going to let this fully air dry, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, y'all, so it's not the next day. I still have the same clothes on. It's actually Saturday. It is 11:56, and I believe I started styling my hair around 7 o'clock. And I would say I'm about 85, that's a lie, 90% dry. I have a little bit here in the back, but I just want to say something. K18, I don't know if you can hear the music in the background. YouTube, this is not me. I live in the South Bronx and people are blasting music outside because, you know, the Bronx. Anywho, can you, if you see my other videos, you can go to my Instagram to look at my highlights, or on my YouTube. Do you see my hair? Like, you know, while it's not like the most perfect ringlets compared to the hair back here, my hair is going somewhere. Like, you know, I still have a little stragglers you can see here and here. They just stick out because they're not coiling properly. But look how good my hair is and how healthy it looks. And for the details on the okra gel that I mentioned, you'll have to watch my next video on my DIY okra hair gel. But anywho, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I've now used K18 since April. I did 4 consecutive uses. Then I took a break because after 4 or 6 consecutive uses, you can use it every 3 to 4 washes after that. So I did 3 washes after my 4th consecutive wash or use. And I have to say, it was worth buying the sample and then investing in the full bottle. The full bottle, if I'm not mistaken, was $75. If not, I'll put the price here of both the sample and the full size. But it's worth it because look at my hair. Like, you really can't see it because my hair is, let me put it in the middle, or sort of the middle. But do you see how my hair comes up? And like I said, you still have these pieces, just a few pieces that are not leveling up with the rest of my hair, but still it's such a huge difference compared to what my hair looked like in April, and you can go back and see those videos. So I highly recommend it. Thank you to the people who formulated K18. Again, this was purchased with my own money. This is my own opinions. I was just desperate to find something. There shouldn't be any damage on my hair because technically I haven't done anything to it, let's say for the past 5 or 6 years, right? So when I noticed that my hair wasn't like cooperating, like the front part, I was like, what did I do? Like, there's no chemicals on it, there's no heat on it because I didn't use heat, with the exception of doing like wash and set, like with the rollers. But that was twice a year. I was like, that's not enough for damage. So then I just happened to come upon this product and I started to use it. I've tried other protein treatments from like the Curlsmith and TGIN. Thank God it's natural. I've used Olaplex 3, as I mentioned earlier, and nothing was helping me like regain the balance on the front half of my hair. So I'm just so grateful. And if anyone's having an issue with wanting to revive their hair, whether it's curly or not, wavy, straight, like I would say try this product. And give it time, be patient. I'm an impatient person, so take it from me. It's amazing. I mean, you'll see. You can go back and see my videos to see the difference. But yes, I'm so happy. Let me see if I can focus. Let me do a 360 turn. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.